Hello everyone, Lethal Smith here. This is a video that I'm going to do for Sunday, which will be tomorrow on the 11th, rather than Sunday. A little unboxing I have got of the TalkTalk Super router, however you want to pronounce it. We just got this, and hopefully it will help boost our broadband and make it more extra crispy. We got a Belkin one at the minute, which I got 3 to 4 years ago, something like that. I can't remember the exact date though, because it's like such a long time ago. So hopefully this will speed up the internet for us. There's nothing much around the box, just like serial numbers and stuff. There's nothing on the back of it or anything, but it's really thin and it says open here on it. So we are going to open the tab up and see what is inside. So yeah, there's not much to see because there's a load of paperwork and stuff on it at the minute. There's some instructions here, which let me just open the box up. So I will have a look at the paperwork first. There's a little bit of information on there. That's boring stuff. Maybe got some code and warranties, how to dispose of it. Let's see, what's this? Okay, that's just normal paperwork. It's a letter. Probably got my the new password on it, so I'll probably cut that bit out. Setup guide. This is nice, I thought. Okay, right, because you need a new password for this, because I forgot different routers come with different passwords and stuff. This is your setup guide. It's basically everything that comes in a box, but just basically set up a router the exact same way. Let's see. Okay, that's already in there. Okay, let's undo the first compartment. Actually, let me just grab it and pop it down here. So I actually got it here. Actually popped out. Okay, first compartment is the plug, the adapter. This looks really weird. Oh, okay. Right, you plug this in there. They did it so it can fit into the box. You put this into here like that, and there you go. That makes your UK plug up. So yeah, it's a standard plug for it. Standard stuff. It's not very interesting so far. Here you got contents, your TalkTalk router, yellow Ethernet cable, the microfilter, power supply, which you already done, extra microfilter if required, and startup guide. I will be using all these components because we have got a filter, but I like to use the new stuff. So here we have one microfilter, and let's put that there. Here we have another one, which is the main one that we use. Basically, this bit goes into your phone line. This bit goes into the back of the router, and you plug in your phone into here, because obviously you've got to unplug the phone line to plug this in. That's why it's got an extra phone line port there. So this is a really nice one, a little cube, D-Link cube. That looks really nice. Here we have a Ethernet cable, which you basically plug your main computer into. However, the only computer that we have running on this on our internet, which is wired to the internet, is this one, the one I'm speaking to you through at the minute. There is another one, but it's a Wi-Fi booster that I got connected to it, so I need to unplug the booster to plug this one in. Okay, here is, well, they don't okay, I thought they would give you another ticket with the with the password in it. It's probably in that letter. It's probably on here, really. Okay, yeah, it's fine. There's a little card right here. Keep this safe. Yeah, I'm gonna put that somewhere safe. Little card with the password and everything on it. So that's fine. Here is a little router. Slim on blur, please. Oh my god, I really hate when it does that. Really slimline. Really like that. Nice and slimline. The one is a freestanding one which stands up like that. That's the one that we've got. But this one sits down there. On the back, we basically got everything we need for like the broadband and the internets and everything like that. It's basically the same layout as a normal router. On the front, we basically got all the things that we need, really. Yeah. There's also a TV one, because obviously this is used to like gaming and live streaming on TVs and stuff. So yeah. These little legs, they pop down. Basically, these are so it can stand up like that. So these are really nice. They just like slip out and stuff. This is your on and off switch here. It's your little on and off switch, and this is your YPS. We don't really use that one though. Let's see what else. That's it basically. Yeah, that's everything. You basically got some stuff on the back of it as well. So that's interesting. Yeah. There's also the password on the back, so I'm going to have to do some editing and stuff on this video. So yeah, really nice router, nice and slimline as well. I quite like that. You have to make some room for it before I actually set it up, mind. So I'm going to be setting it up tomorrow, so I know I actually have a little bit of time tomorrow. However, I could set it up tonight, but I'm just too tired to, and I want to get to bed soon. Anyway, that was the unboxing of the TalkTalk Super Router, as they put it. So we will see how super it is when I actually get around to installing it tomorrow. So until then, see you guys.